independently developed the domestic first
6-stand tandem cold rolling mill, 5-stand tandem cold rolling mill,
and hot annealing pickling line with 3 stand-in-line tandem mill for handling black coils, and established long-run strategic cooperation relationships with first-class specialized companies both at home and abroad. Therefore, we arm our products with soul, with the craftsman's heart of awe. We have a number of large processing and manufacturing bases with strong manufacturing capacity to build our quality with totally new high standard. We have established our independent quality inspection team and set up our specialized division to be responsible for procurement of processing parts and standard equipment with the only purpose to label every product with high efficiency, extended service life, and high performance. We are rigorous about our quality and ensure our quality. We have a high quality and richly experienced engineering installation team and a professional engineering service team with strong sense of responsibility. Meanwhile, we provide complete, systematic professional training so as to safeguard our customers' production.